Good morning, we're at, I don't know. It's a trail that hasn't been driven in 2 years. I'll put the name up on the screen. And we're gonna go and see what the trail's like and if we can make a path through it. It's just outside of Worcester, outside of the tunnel, and it's on a farm. The farmer has let us basically come here and recreate the trail again. So it's gonna be pretty interesting. I'm excited because this isn't a very well-known trail and no one really knows what it's gonna be like. I'm gonna see what I can film. I think there's gonna be a lot of cutting the bushes and branches to get out the way, but a lot of fun. You see these bushes? You got to watch out for these things because these, like old proteas or burnt proteas, these things scratch your Jeep really badly. A bit of a rocky climb. So Hans is busy clearing out branches. There we go. It is super beautiful out here. These mountains are just amazing. So a lot of cutting trees and bushes. So there's a whole tree in the road and Hans is going to take the winch and pull the tree out and clear some space. Right. Second use for a winch. Not just for recoveries, but for putting trees out the way. You got your Christmas tree for next year?
Yeah! Shush, I'm starting early, man.
Alright, trees cleared, so we're off to go again.
Going slowly. Right, step right.
It's there and back on the same trail. We kind of got to the end, now we need to turn around. Just trying to work out how to get everybody past. Woo! That was cool. Tricky with a manual a little bit because you can still, I mean, it does have kind of an automatic manual in the sense if you let go of the clutch it'll just climb, but that kind of example, like you need to use a bit more like throttle control on it, and that means you can like choke off. So I'm super stoked how that worked out. That was awesome. So I think we've come to the end of the trail now. We're heading back down the same way that we came. Overall, it's not such a technical trail. There was that one section where we kind of tried to make as much fun out of it as we could, but definitely not the most technical trail at all. More of a scenic drive, but overall, super fun day out with the Jeep guys, and what a nice way to spend a Sunday.